Minute skillet lasagna. Start by adding oil to a pan, then 4 garlic cloves. Next, add chopped onion and lightly brown it. Now, add 500 grams of ground beef. Give the meat a quick sauté. Season with salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Mix and cook until the meat is just right. Add tomato sauce and water to cover the meat. Now add 200 grams of lasagna noodles. Cover and let the pasta cook. Add some ham, then mozzarella cheese. Use as much as you like. Finish with a sprinkle of oregano. Cover and let the cheese melt. Once done, slice and enjoy. See how quick and easy this lasagna is for meals. Try it at home, I'm sure you'll love it. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick dish from Pobre na Cocina. Big hug, see you next time, and thanks.